Today we will discuss the amazing habit of waking up early in the morning. So, sir, my first question is why one should wake up early?
One should wake up early. It's a very interesting subject. Those who have fire in the belly and want to reach the sky height should wake up early. In our Vedant, from the time immemorial, the waking up early, Brahma Murut, 4 a.m. So one should wake up early to achieve the goals, to be ahead of others.
Right. So we know that you are an early riser. When did you started waking up early morning?
I started waking up early morning since my student days because I found morning is the best time to understand difficult subjects. The whole environment is very peaceful. That time I was not knowing the science of uh, early morning, the energy in the early morning. But I realized that I was able to grasp very fast. I was able to remember very fast. And then that habit has continued for last 40 years and it has given me immense benefit.
What motivated you to wake up early?
See, I have been a very ambitious student. I used to do 3 courses in a year. So I did chartered accountancy, cost accountancy together. Then I did the company secretary and law together. So when you have too many things to do, so one waking up early can make a good plan. And later on, I started writing book, addressing various seminars, and kept as a student till now. And my ambition is so much hunger for learning that I will die in an exam hall in a positive manner.
Superb, superb. What a spirit, sir. So, please mention any four benefits from your personal experiences of waking up early.
See, the waking up early, the L. Herold has written a book, Morning Miracles, and he has given 6 alphabet savers, SAVERS. So first is silence, second is affirmation, like I'm very healthy, I'm happy, I'm a multimillionaire, whatever affirmation I want, or then doing exercise, then reading and scribbling, that means writing. So to me, the immense benefits which I get by waking up early is, first is I organize all my work of the day. I get a lot of ideas what work was pending, how it can be done quickly. I have made an acronym, OFATE, superb CSHE. So the 8 benefits which I see is organizing skill. The second is one eats the healthy food. No, so third is one exercises. So whatever one wants, doing yoga, walk. The fourth is we beat traffic. Even when I started my practice in '84, I had an office in Kalba Devi, and I used to reside in Goregaon. And I used to reach the office at 8 a.m. People were amazed, in Kalba Devi, people would not have woken up at 8 a.m. and I would have reached the office. So you beat the traffic, the local trains of Bombay. And then the next is you remain stress-free because you have more time when waking up. You enjoy quality sleep. The research says the sleep taken before midnight, before 12 a.m. is the quantity is double than what I do after 12 midnight. So instead, suppose if I sleep at 8 p.m., 8 p.m. to 12 p.m., I will take 4 hours sleep. Now, if I sleep in the midnight 12, then the same quality of sleep and same quantity, I will take 8 hours. Then you feel more happy and energetic. So now I get up at 4 a.m. Sometime I get up at 3 a.m. because the your mind alarm start working rather than your physical alarm. So mind alarm says you have slept enough, and then other techniques you use before sleeping. You do your evening affirmation. You close all your technological things and all your work 2 hours before sleep. You take the food 2 hours before sleep. So the quality of sleep is immensely highly beneficial.
And one feel very confident also when he is able to accomplish his
Yes.
task, his goal before
Govin
time.
Sharma has written a book, 5 a.m. Club. So those who are members of 5 a.m. Club, he has written 5 a.m., but I would strongly suggest become a member of 4 a.m. Club.
Oh, wow.
Because that
1
is
hour
when,
ahead.
yes, the universe, the Almighty wakes up at 4 a.m. Therefore we call it a Brahma Muhurt. So, and the physical environment, we should sleep with sunset and wake up with sunrise. That is
Sunrise.
also another science. The research has been done in the Jain technology. Dipti, you know this better.
Yes, yes, sir. Very well. To eat before sunset.
Yes. So there is a better digestion and
Immense benefits it has.
all benefits only.
So, sir, my next question is related with this only. Ki 5 a.m. club is trending now on all social media handles. So, can you give tips that how one can start waking up early and become the member of that club?
See, there is a book called Atomic Habit. Like this is one habit. Like how we do, what is habit? Habit is something which we do unnoticingly. Like I am talking unnoticingly. So waking up early is an habit which will first one is to take the decision in the mind. So one has to tell to the subconscious mind that I want to wake up at 4 a.m. So we are talking at a conscious level. Joseph Murphy has written a very amazing book, Power of Subconscious Mind, 20 areas that subconscious mind can do miracle. So then slowly what will happen once you wake up early, one will sleep early because one need a sufficient amount of time. And then one will keep on enlarging the goals. Because by wake up early, what to do, we will get, the universe has given us 6 mental faculties, very powerful faculties. I have remembered them by the name PM Viri, Prime Minister is Vir, and I have added I. So perception, P for perception, M for memory, W for will, I for imagination, R for regions, and last I is for intuition. So once we wake up early, all these 6 mental faculties start working. We can do morning affirmation on our goals. Ki whatever is my goal, I want 1,000 crore rupees, say by end of December 2021, I can work on that. And we can do planning, organized planning. So all these benefits happens when we wake up early. Please do an experiment for one day or for a week, and you yourself will realize what are the benefits of waking up early.
Sir, one thought came in my mind is that when we wake up early at 4 a.m., there comes a time at 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. we feel like sleeping and we just slow down in our activities. How to overcome that slack time?
This happens when we did not had a quality sleep, we sleep with a lot of worries or the work to be done. When we sleep, we should say that it is the end of my day. I should tell everything, no, please go away from my mind. You come tomorrow when I'm at work. And you listen, say, evening affirmation. There are excellent YouTube videos of 5 minutes available, like Sandeep Maheshwari has made a YouTube video on morning affirmation, evening affirmation, 5 minutes. There are so many other gurus who have talked about some positive aspects. So before sleeping, keep your affirmations in your mind, have a quality sleep, have the sleep which you want, undisturbed sleep. And then I wake up at 4 a.m. and sometime earlier. Till 9, 8 p.m. when I sleep, I don't feel a fatigue. In fact, I feel more energy every second, because that is another affirmation. Every second, I'm energetic, I'm enthusiastic, I'm positive, I'm helping everyone. So these are affirmations which by repeating them, they come in our blood as a habit. So we are conscious, that no, I have to be enthusiastic. So I can't, because subconscious mind, if I say I'm tired right now, subconscious mind also will accept that conscious is saying I'm tired, so I'm tired.
Right.
So this phenomena happens when, and follow the same routine every day, the same lunch time, breakfast time, the dinner time, sleep time, waking up time, and you will see you have become like in Vedant. I am talking again and again in Vedant. We are part of Brahma.
Yes.
So we are having the super power to do anything what we want to achieve. And great achievers have used this technology, which is time tested and scientific.
What you have achieved more by waking up early, step ahead.
See, waking up early has given me a lot of ideas. Like I keep on adding a new area of practice every 6 months. I have a passion to write books. I have a passion to give lectures. I have a passion to uh, take more qualifications, because those have immensely benefited me. Like, recently I did MA Psychology from IGNOU, distance learning. So concept like self-awareness, concept like which may have read earlier, Maslow's need hierarchy theory. So at my stage, I consider what is a self-actualization. So all these things happen, learning languages. So depending on somebody's interest, these are my interests, but somebody may have an interest to earn more money, or to give time to social work. So all this will happen when self has to be most happy. The foundation, the central point of working is self. And many times I have seen individuals, they ignore self, they take care of everything else. So we have to make our environment, first the family environment, there we have to enroll each family member, ki these are my goals. And making self, because what is inside comes outside. So if I am inside very happy, I will be like contagious, I'll be spreading happiness.
Great learning, sir, and superb video talk we had. And thank you for joining us. Thank you, sir.
Thanks from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Thank you.